Aruba no está aquí for de Bogotá, Colombia, Roads Americas, donde está tomando lugar una conferencia sumamente importante entre aerolineanan mundial con aeropuertonan de Caribe y Latino America. Y mirando que Aruba está sumamente popular en Caribe y destinación en general, Aruba está aquí para promover viajar con un boot. En pasado Aruba estaba solamente para reuniones, pero con bonita boot aquí, tiene varias reuniones que están tomando lugar. En el primer día tiene reuniones con, entre otros, Copa Airlines, WestJet, British Airways y Hopi más. Y nos logramos conversar con el representante de JetBlue, que es un partner importante para Aruba, y ya contarnos con la reunión ahí.
Yeah, hi Mark. Thanks so much for having us, of course, here at Routes in the booth here. The meeting went really well, just, continuing our partnership, strong partnership that JetBlue has with Aruba, hearing the strong, growth that the island's seeing, particularly when it comes to hotels and, just the hospitality business overall. And, we're just doing our part and providing more seats and allowing our customers to go down to Aruba and experience all the joy that the island has to offer. Expansion looks really nice. I mean, just the photos of some of the property that we've seen down there are beautiful. Aruba's kind of consistent with what our CEO, Joanna Garrity, has said is consistent with JetBlue's core business, which is the premium leisure traffic, and I think Aruba is the epitome of premium leisure. I mean, we've seen, even despite all the connectivity that the Legacy see, JetBlue's was #1 last year, and we're proud to have our picture right behind the booth over here, so it's been great. Aruba means a lot to us. It's a city that we've flown for a while now. We have sometimes 5, 6 daily from some of our cities on the weekends, just showing how strong the leisure customer really values Aruba and how we're so excited to deliver that experience to them. We've recently tried to grow with places like Newark. We've expanded that to daily, just trying to continue that growth that we've seen in the Northeast and trying to give our core customers to Aruba more options. The partnership's been so good, we want more of it, and so that's what we're trying to do our part to maintain and grow. Sure. So the one thing that JetBlue's kind of, I don't want to say struggling with, but the one thing that as a route planner is a little, a little disappointing for us is we have negative growth for a little while now. We've been kind of public with that, but we've committed so many more seats to our existing markets in Aruba, right? We were just talking about March and April. We have some seats in some markets with ASMs up 20 to 30%. So while we may be continuing to grow Newark from Saturday only to daily, we're continuing to do that, and we've seen a lot of success with that to this point. I think our core markets are really where we're going to be focusing on our growth in Aruba.